Leo AI will be the market. It will be the product on the market, right? Reusing something that has been designed or already created is very difficult for the companies because the 3D CAD has been created a lot of data. And at the end, when you have too much data, if you don't have any PDM or PLM software, you can be lost very quickly. And when you want to look and search for something, it's almost impossible to find what you are looking for. So if the solutions we provide can help people and to really retrieve or go back to what they have already done and simply modify a few things, and with the help of AI, having also a few options that we are not thinking about, really investigated, that will be huge. I think with AI, we are going to work on the entire design process and globally make it more effective and efficient. What I believe AI will bring in the future is how we can work and optimize in single step and make it really more creative, more efficient, and for some tasks, but simply automate it. And if we find with the technology the right use case, I can already anticipate a quick and fast adoption. With AI attached to CAD, we will work on the entire design process, which is the ultimate goal here. You have been working on two key ideas. Ideation. Ideation is the beginning of everything. Most of our customers, they tell us they don't spend enough time on ideation. They always have the fear that they have missed something, or they had no time to really go for the right crazy ideas that will be ultimately the good one. So this is where we believe ideation help with AI can really help our customers and users, because the mechanical engineer will have more ideation and options to investigate. The second one is obviously how you can deal with a very large engineering data. We are all mechanical engineers, right? We know what it is. How can we make sure that when you are looking for something, you have been leveraging all the human experience on the mechanical engineering? This is what Leo AI does. And last but not least, if we can make sure that we have the CAD integration working well with the applications such as Leo AI, it would be perfect. So these are the key things that could be right away in production and used by the users, because they are dying for this progress. You said, I'm going to change the way people are developing product by impacting massively the engineering process, because today the engineering process is still a lot of things that are sometimes painful and that need to be addressed. It's not a question of is it easy to use or whatsoever. No, it's a question of the value you get using solutions like AI, and it's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. With AI applied to engineering, it's only a step further. But this one is a big one, and the value that this new tool will bring to humanity is very significant. And applied to engineering, I'm excited because we don't know exactly what will be the most effective use case, but what I do know is that the creativity of people like you and others will help the engineering community to find the right use case faster than we believe. So it's fantastic. Very excited. And that's the next big move for the engineering community. I'm very happy to see that coming.